Welcome back to Organic Odyssey. In this video, we're going to discuss about Electromeric Effect. This is also known as E effect. This is also known as E effect. E effect. In the previous classes, we discussed about a lot of effect like I effect plus I minus I and R effect plus R minus R, also known as M effect. M effect. Okay, this is E effect. We can further classify it into two types. The one is plus E effect and the one more is minus E effect. It's just an effect during the multiple bond containing molecules involving reaction. The electrons move where? When the reagent nearby the molecule. This is the concept. This is the concept. We can divide into two types. Okay, electron enga pogudhu enga navarudhu or reaction la pi electron enga nagarudhu apdige solradhu anga concept. So first thing is no important 2 points. Just remember these points. The first point, this effect is temporary. Inductive effect is the permanent. Who asked? I don't know. Who said? Okay. Now the second point is this effect happen only on the molecule containing the multiple bonds, double bond or triple bond, whatever. Inductive effect will happen in a single bond or double bond, triple bond, whatever. Who asked it? Who said? Okay, whatever, you just leave it. Just remember only these 2 points for this effect. Each effect I'm gonna give you one example. That's it. How the electron move during the reaction. That is the point. During the reaction. The first one is E effect plus C effect. Here the pi bond, which means multiple bond containing molecule, exactly we have a ethane, the simple one, and the reagent is HBr. You know how to separate the charge. Yeah, exactly. Hydrogen get partial positive. Amanda Br minus that because it is more electronegative. So electron eduthiruvan, this is deficient. So here the molecule is a richer area because it got a pi electron. Man, whenever they got a pi electron, they are rich. Exactly. See the point, the concept, the exact nucleus is here. See, listen. The pi electron and the electrophile stand in the same carbon. That's a point. See, you're gonna take the hydrogen. So here CH2, I'm targeting this carbon. CH2, here that electron, pi electron converted into sigma bond. Exactly, the electron on same carbon and hydrogen electrophile also in the same carbon. Exactly. Here we have a carbocation. Now next step, we're going to add Br minus. And what will happen? The Br minus is going to attack the carbocation. The product will get, what product we will get? Here CH2 and Br will be the product. This is the product. It does not matter how this is react during the reaction. How the pi electron react during the reaction, that is the point. The first step is electrophile attack. Okay. Now next one, the example for E effect. Which means minus E effect. It is completely different. Here the attacking reagent, which means that reagent electrophile and the pi electron in the same carbon. Now it is opposite way. Electron move opposite way. That is the point. See how it is gonna happen. Here we have a starting material. இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு hydrogen இருக்கு. Now we are reagent is HCl. Charge separation, hydrogen get positive, Cn get negative, and here also we have to separate the charge because then only we can move the reaction, right? Here oxygen get partial negative, this carbon get partial positive. Now it's a time to attack the cyanide. Either are you going to attack the carbon, then pi electron move upward. The electron move towards oxygen, not here because that fellow logic wise that fellow also rich, so electron definitely going to repel each other, right? So this is this area explained by minus E effect. That's it. You get a intermediate. What here? Minus, and you have hydrogen and the Cn. Then here going to attack not attack. Yeah, we can say it attack because this is the fellow gonna neutralize the molecule. So product will be CH3, CH and Cn. Here one more OH. That's it, rah. In the beginning I said 2 points. The 2 points are more important, and the electrons how move during the reaction. This is the concept in electromeric effect. In your CBSE note, whatever they give, just little bit points. That's it. So thank you so much. Let's see the next video.